Are you scared of red lipsticks? Don't be. Did you know, just like nudes and browns, red can also be a very neutral shade. But the thing is, if you want to use it every day, all you need to do is balance the makeup around your face. I'm going to show you how to do this look. And let me tell you something, if you want to use a red lipstick, just use it. A lot of people have mental blocks. It's your face, your lips, your life. Even if you want to go jogging in red lipstick in the morning, go for it. Red lipsticks can very well be a part of your daily makeup. Today I had to go out, run some errands and also grab a quick lunch. So I kept my makeup absolutely neutral with some red lips, no concealer and no liquid foundation. I'm priming a little. Make sure you press your primer in and choose a primer of your own choice. I'm going to mattify the top of my eyes with a powder. That too could be your Studio Fix or anything before the application of a mild eyeshadow just to contour my upper eyelid. As usual, just put it on your upper eyelid till the socket or the crease, whatever that you like to call it, and if you have hooded eyes, take it a little further up. Considering I've always been someone who moisturizes well, a Studio Fix powder foundation is good enough for my daily makeup. I'm not going to even use a concealer. I don't want to do anything that makes my face look too heavy because my lips are going to be bright. Completely flawless and cakey skin doesn't look natural at a daily basis, so I avoid it. A little bit of flaw is good. Now take a brown eyeshadow, any brown eyeshadow, and a pencil brush of your choice and just shade on the outer corners of your eyes just the way I'm doing it. It just creates a kind of a shadow. Make sure you set your eyebrows so that they don't move around. Curl your lashes if you want to and complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Prime your lips with a nude lip liner. I go for this one because I like the shade. Always choose a shade, a couple of shades darker than your lip color. Then line your lips with a red lip liner and go for a red lipstick of your choice. Don't be scared of using a red lipstick. Use it casually, keep the makeup around that lipstick light, especially if you're using it for daily makeup. It looks absolutely lovely. Try using it with my technique and you will be pleasantly surprised. Just take a blush of your choice so that your face doesn't look flat, and then your makeup is done. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I just share my own makeup, whatever I do, I just keep the camera on and it works. And it's always worked when I've shared it this way, instead of imparting too much knowledge and details, which even I don't understand. If it looks good to your eyes, it works. Do try it and let me know how it went. If you're watching this on YouTube, I've mentioned all the products in the description box, and on Facebook, it'll be in the comments. See you again soon with a super easy achievable makeup look.